Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have another video here for you today. It's actually another package from the company I work with, Village Craft and Candles. The one I just did the wax about. So they just sent me this other one and I'm excited to show you what's in it. So this is a little bit more of a sit down one, but I will be doing other videos in regards to the products that are in this box and sharing my thoughts after the fact that I used them. So today is a dark and dreary day outside. It's raining. It's supposed to rain all week. And I actually had my heat off and I just had to turn it on because I was cold. This is one of their fragrance kits. So they do have a bunch of different fragrance kits on their website. So it allows you to try out different scents before you purchase the larger bottles. All these bottles here are 30 milliliters. So they're good for 1 pound of wax if you wanted to make a few candles. 1 pound of wax, I think I normally make 1 8-ounce candle, 2 4-ounce candles, and a few wax melts because I always divide up each new fragrance that I try so it has a little bit of each so I can see what sells, either my bigger candles, smaller candles, or wax melts. Some of these fragrances I know that are in the box that I have tried before, and some of them I currently have on hand at the moment. They do come out with Christmas ones, fall ones, spring ones, summer ones, and for different fragrances, I'm guessing now. I've never purchased one that's just dedicated to like a fragrance, so every one of these here has vanilla in it. So let's see, and there's 10 30 ml containers in this. If I can get it open, that would be wonderful. So a lot of the fragrances that they do have on their site, I have purchased already. Like I rambled off in my last video, I have so many that's over there right now, and I have so many that are made. So let's see. So this first one is warm vanilla sugar. Oh, tongue tied. So this one here I have made in the past. Oh, and it does smell. I've never been, and this is funny that I picked this one because they did give me a few options to pick. But some of the other ones, I have so many of them on hand already and that I've tried. So I wanted some with a little bit more newer ones in it. But this one here I have tried before, and a lot of people compare it to Bath and Body Works warm vanilla sugar, which it does smell just like that. I actually have the body fragrance from Bath and Body Works here. And all the candles and waxes that I've made in the warm vanilla sugar actually sold out. So it's nice to have this to try it again. So, Black Vanilla Oud is this one. So I do have a few of these made at the moment as well. I think I just have wax melts left. I don't think I have any more candles, so this will be nice to be able to replenish that. To me, what does this smell like? I'm trying to get better at smelling the notes and better describing it. Because me with fragrance, I just say it smells good. It just smells good. I'm such a big person for fragrances. This is more like a clean smell to me. I want to say it almost reminds me, and I could be so wrong, of a like a clean baby scent in a way, because it is that mild, almost powdery fragrance, and I could be so wrong, but that's just what it reminds me of. So, and actually on the bottles as well, it does say use 30 mils, 1 ounce to 450 grams to 1 pound of wax. What's the next one? I'm just going in order here. So I've already made them, and I've already made this one. So this here is Black Raspberry Vanilla. Black Raspberry Vanilla, I do have it made. I do have one wax melt left. Don't ask me how I remember all my stock, because I have so much. But I know I'm lower on these so far. This here, I've tried a Black Raspberry Vanilla from another company. I didn't like it. This one here smells just like Scentsi's Black Raspberry Vanilla. like spot on. Oh, it just smells like heaven. But if you're familiar with the Sensi's black raspberry vanilla, this is it. Actually, there is quite a bit of fragrances from this company that remind me of Scentsy. I will go over them as I go, because some of them I make around Christmas time. There's one around Christmas that reminds me just of one that Scentsy had. It's called Cranberry and Tencel. And Village Craft and Candles got one called Pink Tencel. And I absolutely love it. I actually have a bunch of bars over there. But let me stop getting off topic here because I can ramble my heart out. So this one here is Vanilla Lavender Buttercream. I am excited to try this one because I love the smell of vanilla and lavender together. The buttercream, I've never smelled the buttercream one, so let's see. Oh yeah. The lavender is what I smell the most. But then you do have that hint of like a bakery smell at the end, so the buttercream. Oh my goodness. Oh, this smells nice. I could sit here and smell this for hours. Oh, yeah, I can't wait to make this. It's like the lavender hits you in the face, and then you get the vanilla and the buttercream at the end, and it just that's a good combination. Like I said, I love the vanilla and lavender together. So that was really nice. So this one here is lemon coconut vanilla. I do have this made. I actually just recently made it, and it smells lovely. But I gotta smell it again. Oh, it's, it's such a clean fragrance. Like that lemon. I've tried lemon candles. Like I've tried making lemon candles, and I didn't like the first lemon one that I made. But this, I don't know if one's more natural than the other. If that makes any sense. One's more artificial than the other. But this lemon in here smells just like lemon meringue pie with the coconut and the vanilla. More so than like a even there is some lemon cleaners that I like to smell, but the first one I made is just not nice. This is really nice clean scent. It's almost one that you could make cleaners out of, to be honest. So that's the lemon coconut vanilla. I'll get better at, breaking these down eventually. So this is vanilla emberwood. Hmm. So there is the fragrance. I'm a little bit iffy on this. I'm not 100% sure what emberwood smells like, but it's definitely woodsy. Definitely. See, sometimes I find sniffing the scents like this, you don't get the true scent until you actually make the candle and melt it. Hmm. It's not a bad fragrance at all. Like it doesn't stink. I'd tell you if it stunk. It's just different. It's different than what I'm used to smelling, I guess. Just like I thought the amber and driftwood, I never thought that I would like that, but I freaking love it. This is really nice. I think to me, it almost sounds like, it almost reminds me, sort of sounds like, yeah, this fragrance has a sound. It kind of reminds me of like a bonfire night, if that makes any sense. Like the embers of the wood burning. It's kind of what it reminds me of. Some people might think completely different from that, but that's just what it reminds me of. Okay, this one is French vanilla. I'm excited to smell this. Really excited. So it's French vanilla soy. So I'm really excited to smell this. I hope it smells just like French vanilla from Tim Hortons. That's what I want to smell like. No, that's not what it smells like. See, I don't know what soy is supposed to smell like. It is really sweet. It almost reminds me of like a candy. If you had like a French vanilla candy. Don't know if it would be one of my favorite, but I have a feeling Mark may like it because it is really mild to me. And I could keep on sitting here sniffing it for hours. I have to say this is probably one of my least so far out of this, just because I like fragrances that whack me in the face. That's just what I like. So this is basic vanilla. I do have some of these made already. I think I only have like 3 4-ounce candles left. Don't even know if I have any wax melts left. This is a really nice smell, but the funny thing is I don't sell many vanillas. I do have another fragrance from a different company that I do sell more. It has vanilla in it, but I don't sell much of the vanilla bean. But now that I'm smelling it like this, I actually really like it. I just think sometimes people, when I do markets and stuff like that, they look at the name of the fragrance and decide not to smell it. There is multiple different companies that sell a vanilla fragrance, and I don't find them all to smell the same whatsoever. Okay, I'm going to leave that one to last because I'm really excited over that one, and I'm hoping I like it. Okay, so the next one is vanilla cream. So I have a feeling I may like this. I am a sucker for bakery fragrances. And this, since it's not just plain vanilla, it's vanilla cream, it may smell better than the vanilla. It smells just like the vanilla. I actually don't even think I smell the cream part of it. It almost smells like the one I just smelled. And like I said, once you mix it with wax and warm it, it may smell a little bit different. I find anytime you make the candles, it smells different than smelling it straight out of here. I don't know. I'm trying to sniff and sniff and sniff to see if I get that. Maybe I do smell it a little bit. What other one did I smell? So yeah, it kind of almost hits the same at the end like the other one with the buttercream in it. Hold on, I have to go back to that vanilla again to see if I can smell the difference. Fluff me nose. Oh yeah, I can smell the difference now on how that's just basic vanilla to the vanilla cream. Okay. Make my nose cleared up there. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like this one better. The vanilla cream. 100%. Better than the regular vanilla. This is what I'm excited for. So this is vanilla musk. So this is the final fragrance. There was a perfume years ago called Vanilla Fields. So it is like a musky kind of smell. And my mother used to always wear it. And I used to love that smell of vanilla. I don't know if that's what made me sick of vanilla after, but for years and years and years, I would not wear any vanilla. I would not have anything vanilla. And I'd say the past 3 to 4 years, like seems like I can't get enough of vanilla. So it's just really weird. So I'm hoping this smells perfumey since it is musk. Cross my fingers. I've never smelt this, so. I'm gonna have to smell it a few times. It definitely has that musk. 100%. but it's not like a sweet smell. It's what I was hoping for. It's almost like a musky, woodsy smell. And like I said, it may smell different after, but it's not a stinky smell though. It's not what I thought it was going to be. So if anybody likes that musky masculine smell is what I would throw it alongside. It definitely is a nice one. It kind of reminds me of years ago in church when I was younger and I had to go to church all the time. That's what it kind of reminds me of. But I think it would be a nice, relaxing, calming smell at the same time for anybody that can handle smells and wouldn't get bothered by a strong fragrance, right? It is nice though. That is really nice. So let me go over these one more and let you know the ones that are in here. Is vanilla musk, French vanilla soy, vanilla cream, vanilla lavender buttercream. I always get tongue tied. I do apologize. Vanilla, warm vanilla sugar, which is really nice. All of them are nice, to be honest. And it all depends on what people like. So that's why these kits here are a perfect option to buy to test out different fragrances. I do believe most of them are around 41 something, $42. Some of them may be a little more just depending on how much each fragrance oil costs, but it's in the 40s and it's a great option because you can make 10 pounds of wax. So you get enough variety in every little bottle to make a lot of testers, or if you wanted to sell them right away, right? So black vanilla oud, black raspberry vanilla, which is so nice. Lemon coconut vanilla, another nice one, and vanilla ember. So a lot of these fragrances are absolutely wonderful. Like I said, it's a great value, a great price for the ones that come in the kit. Great way to test them, and the link will be in the below. If you wanted to check out some more, I do believe some of their kits right now are discontinued because some of them they still show as like their fall ones and maybe holiday ones. I haven't looked into the different options that they still have on their website, but I know they have their spring and summer, this vanilla one, and new releases. I know that's the three ones that I can remember right now. So hopefully you go and check them out. Click the link below in the description. Make sure you like and comment this video and stay tuned for a lot more to come. I will be doing other little videos in regards to this company as well, for the different products that I currently have on hand and what I've tried and what I love. So I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.